Welcome back to the Quizzers. Let's find out if you're a movie expert in the ultimate emoji quiz. There are 25 movies to guess by the emojis. Each question is harder than the last. Let's see if you can guess all 20 correctly. Guess the movie by the emoji. It's RoboCop. Guess the movie by emoji. And the name is The Little Mermaid. And what about this? It's Airplane. Also guess this. Of course it's Who Framed Roger Rabbit. Guess the movie by emoji. Guess the movie by emoji. It's the Epsilon Tau. And what about this? It's Once Upon a Time in America. Also guess this. It's 16 Candles. And what about this? Of course it's Aladdin. And what about this? It's Beauty and the Beast. Guess the movie. It's Coco. Which movie is this? It's Finding Nemo. Guess the movie. It's Frozen. Are you enjoying this video? Let us know with a thumbs up. That's the movie by the emoji. It's Pirates of the Caribbean. Guess the movie by the emoji. It's Sleeping Beauty. Which movie is this? The Lion King. Which movie could this be? It's James and the Giant Peach. That's the movie by the emoji. It's The Cat in the Hat. Which movie is this? It's Curious George. Which movie could this be? Of course it's Winnie the. Thanks for watching.